She turned $100 into almost 1,000 just by putting the bread in the oven and letting that sucker bake. That's it. That's all that happened. She put the dough in the oven, came back 5, 6 years later, and it had grown into a big, beautiful loaf of bread. And so this to me is a perfect example of what you might want to consider when it comes to making investing part of your habit. Because if you invest consistently and you're consistently planting those seeds, and then time is kicking in, that's where you get these little economic surprises. Like I mentioned to you all about Nvidia, I didn't even remember buying Nvidia stock. Talking to me, if you had asked me, like, "Hey, did you ever buy any Nvidia stock?" I'd be like, "I don't know." That'd be like asking me, "Do you remember the time that you went to the bathroom at 4 o'clock on September 3rd, 2021?" I'd be like, "I don't know. I don't remember the times I went to the bathroom. I don't remember all the times I ate lunch. I don't remember all the times that I woke up and watched the TV show." Right? We don't remember these things. So investing should be that much of a part of your subconscious. This is why we call this class financial consciousness. You want investing to just be such a part of your DNA that you don't even remember all the investments that you made. I kid you not, I did not remember buying Nvidia stock. And then I jump in and I'm looking in the account. I said, "Holy crap, there's like 90, it's almost $100,000. We only paid 5 or 6 thousand bucks for this stock." And I bought it just like because I had some extra money. And that's when I get extra money, I buy stock.